You print a part, it looks perfect, but then you try to assemble it, and it doesn't fit. Too tight, too loose, or completely off dimensions. This is called dimensional accuracy, and it's one of the biggest challenges in 3D printing. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix tolerances and get precise functional parts every time. Welcome to our channel, Clone Print Lab, where we explain everything about 3D printing. What is dimensional accuracy? Dimensional accuracy means how close your printed part is to the intended size in your 3D model. For example, if you design a 20mm cube and your print is 19.6mm or 20.4mm, that's an accuracy problem. Even small errors can cause parts not fitting together, screws not aligning, mechanical failures. The main causes of inaccuracy. There are several key factors. Over-extrusion, too much filament becomes oversized. Under-extrusion, too little filament, parts shrink. Incorrect steps per millimeter, your printer moves more or less than it should. Material shrinkage, plastics like ABS shrink when cooling. Belt tension issues, loose belts mean inaccurate movement. Key insight. Dimensional errors are usually mechanical and calibration combined, not just slicer settings. Calibrating your printer. Step 1. Calibrate esteps. Make sure your extruder pushes exactly enough filament. If not calibrated, everything else becomes inaccurate. Step 2. Flow rate or extrusion multiplier. Print a single wall cube and measure thickness. Adjust flow until wall thickness equals nozzle width, or slicer value. Step 3. Steps per millimeter. X, Y, and Z. Print a calibration cube and measure X-axis, Y-axis, and Z-axis. Then adjust firmware values if needed. Tolerances that actually work. Even with perfect calibration, you still need proper clearance between parts. Recommended tolerances. Tight fit, 0.1 to 0.2 millimeters. Normal fit, 0.2 to 0.3 millimeters. Loose fit, 0.4 to 0.5 millimeters. For moving parts, always go 0.3 millimeters or higher. Horizontal expansion setting. Most slicers have a powerful tool, horizontal expansion. This adjusts part size globally. Example, holes too small, increase expansion. Parts too big, reduce it. Small changes like plus or minus 0.05 millimeters make a huge difference. Real-world tips. To get consistent accuracy, print slower for precision parts, use smaller layer heights, keep belts tight but not over tight, and maintain stable temperature. And most importantly, test with calibration models before real parts. Pro tip. If you print mechanical parts often, create your own tolerance test model, test once, save the results, and reuse those values for all future designs. This saves hours of trial and error. Perfect dimensional accuracy is not luck. It's calibration and correct tolerances. Once you dial it in, your prints won't just look good, they'll fit perfectly. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel, Clone Print Lab.